Okay, we were not able to go to practice today because it's a blizzard! But literally, it really is a blizzard. Like, this is crazy. Yep. That's how I do it, with a broom to get the snow off. This is crazy. It's a blizzard outside. It's supposed to get worse. You don't think so?
I mean, now when I drive a little bit out of this.
You're driving pretty good.
Because I did ditch the car and it's icy.
Oh, are we sliding?
No, it's snow. It's not sledding.
Well, that's why I have the window down, because... It's really cold and windy.
Nope.
You can't see nothing.
Right.
Oh, look at the wind. No.
But they said do not travel.
That is literally a whiteout. Because I can't see. Can you imagine being like an old-time person in a covered wagon, which there was around here during the 1800s, and having one of these happen? And all you had was to stay in the covered wagon?
It's all my life.
Oh my god, that would suck! Even just a little old cabin.
Dicier.
Oh. Is it because people are probably already driving on the road? Yeah.
Philly's gonna wake up.
And he's gonna go.
Wake up till like 1
Yeah.
or 2, and he's gonna be like, what the fuck?
He'll be like, oh my god, get me out of this. He's gonna be so glad that he's leaving here in a month. Because if this is what it's like in November.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be even worse by January. This is crazy. We're not even December yet, and
there's someone
it's like
following me.
crazy.
Mind your business, dude.
There's some dude following you?
Yeah, look, I saw the cop.
No, it's not a cop. Or maybe it is. No, it's not. It's just a big truck. Okay, so we're here at the Dollar General. We're gonna try and get some snackaroos and some supplies for food, because I have a feeling we won't be leaving the house today. Okay, got my DG stuff. Guess we're gonna make homemade macaroni and cheese because they didn't have enough stuff to make chili. I'm really bummed and mad. Oh my god, look at it. We weren't even in the store that long. That's how quick the snow is covered the car. I'm super bummed that we weren't able to go to dance practice today. That's what I hate about the winter. Is it harder to see? Whoa. Whoa! Just take me home. I'll go later.
Oh, they're going to be on later. I'm telling you.
Whole town went out. Banks out. Okay, thank God. It's actually I can't even tell where our house is. Make me right there, guess. Are you guessing? Oh, dang it. It's gonna park just like this. Okay, so just in that few minutes time that we went to the Dollar General, I swear there's a foot of snow already. Look at this. That is crazy. Yeah, I feel like this is going to be a crazy blizzard that's gonna trap us in today. So good thing I got stuff to make some homemade macaroni and cheese. So nuts to think. Literally just a few months ago, I was out here with a pool in my backyard, and now I've got a freaking blizzard. Y'all remember that? Me out here in the warm summer sun cleaning instead of this dookie. I mean, it's pretty. I think the snow is pretty, but oh my gosh! This wasn't supposed to happen until after Christmas. It's flipping November. Ready to go out in the snow? Yeah? We're going to go in the blizzard.
Look, this one has the princesses on it. Chin up. You can wear those gloves.
Okay, you ready? We're bundled up. You ready?
Bye, baby. Have fun.
Whoa, Aubrey, whoa! Is this crazy?
Aubrey, don't get stuck in the snow. Make sure you come back to mommy. Don't get stuck in the snow, okay? Love you.
Okay, so it's pretty much stopped snowing, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty much stopped snowing now. Now it's just wind. But yeah, so there's no schools tomorrow, which means we probably aren't going to have dance practice. That's 2 days in a row. Oh, I hate that. Anyway, okay. So in the meantime, I've been literally doing nothing but working on editing that I haven't been doing. I really wanted to do daily vlogging, but it's been super hard. So I may be back to just doing whenever I can. So sorry about that. Maybe expect videos every day. I'm gonna try my best, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I got lots of dishes I gotta still do. Oh. Yeah. My house is a hot mess. But anyway, all right, so hope you guys had a great day. This was Kansas Closer 2018.
Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, then you know that this vlog is over. Make sure you hit this button down here in this corner because that was the video we uploaded last time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, I gotta go. Peace out. Bye.